starch and cellulose are the compounds made up of small units of option A, simple sugar, option B, fatty acid, option C, glycerol, and option D, amino acids. The correct answer to this question is option A, which is simple sugar. Simple sugar are monosaccharides. These are the simplest carbohydrates and are building units of complex carbohydrates, that is starch and cellulose. Our next question is, inulin found in plant cell is option A, lipid, option B, protein, option C, polysaccharide, and option D, vitamin. A correct answer to this question is option C. Inulin is a polysaccharide. To be specific, it is a homopolysaccharide which is found in the root of dahlia plant. Next question is, final product of starch digestion is option A, maltose, option B, sucrose, option C, galactose or lactose, and option D, glucose. The correct answer to this question is option D, which is glucose. So the final product of starch digestion is glucose. Our next question is, sugar and amino acids are option A, primary metabolites, option B, secondary metabolites, option C, feedstock, and option D, aerocolum. The correct answer to this question is option A, which is primary metabolites or sources of energy in the body. A complex polysaccharide produced from sucrose by the bacterium Leuconostoc mesenteroid is option A, chitin, option B, starch, option C, cellulose, and option D, dextrin. The correct answer to this question is option D, which is dextran, which is a complex polysaccharide prepared either through partial hydrolysis of starch or polymerization of sucrose. So the correct answer is option. Our next question is, glycoproteins contain option A, protein and fat, option B, protein and salt, option C, protein and vitamin, and option D, protein and carbohydrates. The correct answer to this question is option D, which is protein and carbohydrates. When protein adjoins with carbohydrates, it is known as glycoprotein, which is a conjugated protein. So the correct answer is option D. Our next question is, find out the wrongly matched pair. Option A, primary metabolic type, which is ribose. Option B, secondary metabolite, anthocyanins. Option C, protein, which is insulin. Option D, chitin, which is a polysaccharide. And option E, cellulose and heteropolymer. The correct answer or the wrongly matched pair here is cellulose, which is heteropolymer. As we know that insulin is a protein, chitin is a polysaccharide, ribose is the primary metabolite, and anthocyanin is the secondary metabolite. So the correct answer here is option E. Our next question is, alpha helical model of protein was discovered by option A, Pauling and Curie, option B, Watson, option C, Morgan, and option 4, Berzelius. Correct answer to this question is option A, which is Pauling and Curie. Watson and Crick together had proposed the DNA model or the DNA helix model, but here the correct answer is option A, Pauling and Curie. Our next question is, which of the following is polymerized to form proteins? Options are A, protein, B, carbohydrates, C, amino acids, and D, muramic acid. The correct answer to this question is easily amino acids, which form a polypeptide chain to give rise to proteins in the body. Our next question is, which of the following amino acids is not optically active? Options are A, glycine, B, valine, C, leucine, and D, isoleucine. The correct answer to this question is option A, which is glycine. The next question is, given below is the chemical formula of option A, palmitic acid, option B, stearic acid, option C, glycerol, and option D, galactose. The answer to this question is option A, which is palmitic acid, which shows presence of 3 carbon atoms. The next question is, find out the mismatched pair. Option A, agar, which is matched to polymer of glucose and sulfur containing carbohydrates. Option B, chitin, which is a polymer of glucosamine. Option C, peptidoglycan, which is a polysaccharide linked to peptide. Option D, lipopolysaccharide, a complex of lipid and polysaccharide. And option E, glycogen, which is a polymer of glucose. So here the wrongly matched pair or the correct answer is option A, which is agar, which is not a polymer of glucose and sulfur containing carbohydrates. Our next question is, which one is a levorotary sugar? Option A, sucrose. Option B, glucose. Option C, fructose. And option D, none of these. The correct answer to this question is fructose, which is an L sugar, while the others are dextrorotary or D sugars. Our next question is, cholesterol is option A, a phospholipid, option B, a wax, option C, a steroid, and option D, a triglyceride. The answer to this question is option C, which is a steroid. Cholesterol is a steroid which may lead to harm to the heart by hardening in case of deposition in the arteries. So the correct answer is option C, steroid. Our next question is, which of these statements is or are not true? The statement 1 is, glycerol is a 3-carbon alcohol with 30 hydrogen groups that serve as binding sites. Statement B is, waxes and esters formed between a long chain alcohol and saturated fatty acids. Statement C is, the term protein was coined by Gerardus Johannes Mulder. Statement D is, agar is indispensable polysaccharide and it is a complex polymer of glucose and sulfur containing carbohydrates. The options are A and C only, B, A and D only, C, A, B and D only, and D, A, C and D only, while E is D only. Here only the option D, that is agar is an indispensable polysaccharide and it is a complex polymer of glucose and sulfur containing carbohydrates, is not true, and so the correct answer is option E, which is D only. Our next question is, which of the following carbohydrates is not a disaccharide? Option A, maltose. Option B, lactose. Option C, sucrose. And option D, galactose. Here maltose is a disaccharide containing glucose. Lactose containing glucose plus galactose, while galactose is not a disaccharide. So the correct answer is option D, galactose. Our next question is, select the incorrect statement. Statement A is, amino acids are substituent methanes. Option B, glycerol is a trihydroxypropane. Option C, lysine is a neutral amino acid. Option D, lecithin is a phospholipid. Option E, adenosine is a nucleoside. So here we know that adenosine is a nitrogen base. Amino acids are not substituted methanes. And so the correct answer or the incorrect statement here is statement C, which is lysine. Our next question is, a ribose but not deoxyribose nucleotide is option A, cytosine pentose sugar phosphate. Option B, guanine pentose sugar phosphate. Option C, thymine pentose sugar phosphate. And option D, uracil pentose sugar phosphate. The correct answer to this question is option D, which is uracil pentose sugar and phosphate. Our next question is, ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate, is a option A, nucleotide, option B, nucleoside, option C, nucleic acid, and option D, hormone. Here the correct answer is nucleotide. A nucleotide is formed by the combination of a nucleoside and phosphate, while a nucleotide when combines with a sugar gives rise to a nucleic acid such as DNA and RNA. So the correct answer here is option A, nucleotide. Question is, strands of DNA are bonded by option A, hydrogen bond, option B, carbon bonds, option C, oxygen bonds, and option D, nitrogen bonds. Here the correct answer is option A, which is hydrogen bonds. The strands are bonded by double and triple hydrogen bonds, where adenine is bonded to thymine by double bonds and cytosine to guanine by triple bonds. So the correct answer is option A. Our next question is, nucleic acid occurs in option A, Golgi body, option B, lysosomes, option C, cytoplasm, and option D, mitochondria and chloroplast. You know the presence of DNA in mitochondria and chloroplast, and thus the correct answer to this question is option D, which is mitochondria. Our next question is, in DNA, guanine pairs with option A, cytosine, option B, thymine, option C, uracil, and option D, adenine. Here the correct answer is cytosine, as a triple hydrogen bond is present between cytosine and guanine in the DNA structure. Our next question is, in DNA molecules, which of the following base pair is present? Option A, cytosine and adenine. Option B, adenine and thymine. Option C, adenine and guanine. And option D, cytosine and thymine. Correct answer to this question is option B, adenine and thymine, because in DNA molecule, adenine bonds to thymine by double bonds and cytosine only to guanine by triple bonds. So the correct answer is option B. Our next question is, the transformation experiments on pneumococcus showed that option A, DNA can duplicate itself. Option B, RNA is the genetic material. Option C, DNA is the genetic material. And option D, none of these. The answer to this question is option C, as genetic material of pneumococcus was found out to be DNA. The next question is, the base pairs of DNA are correctly shown as option A triple bond T and C double bond G. Option B, A double bond T and C double bond G. Option C, A double bond T and C triple bond G. Option D, A triple bond T and C triple bond G. So you need to remember that A, that is adenine, bonds with thymine in case of DNA, while cytosine binds with guanine. Adenine binds with thymine by double hydrogen bonds and cytosine with guanine by triple hydrogen bonds. So the correct answer here is option C. The similarity between DNA and RNA is that both are option A, double stranded, option B, having similar sugars, option C, polymers of nucleotides, and option D, having similar pyrimidines. The correct answer here is polymers of nucleotides, at both RNA and DNA are nucleic acid which are polymers of nucleotides. Next question is, given below is the diagrammatic representation of one of the categories of a small molecular weight organic compound in the living tissues. Here we have to identify the category shown and the blank place in the form of X shown in it. So we have four options. The first option being cholesterol, where the component is guanine. The second option is category of amino acids, with the component being NH2, which is an amino group. The third category is a nucleotide, with the component being adenine, and the fourth category is nucleoside, with the component being uracil. The correct answer here is option D. The category is that of a nucleoside, and the compound or the component here is uracil, which is a nitrogen base, a pyrimidine. Next question is, which of the following is a conjugated protein? Option A, chromoproteins. Option B, phosphoproteins. Option C, glycoprotein. And option D, all of the above. A conjugated protein is a protein which is a combination of a protein and another compound. Glycoprotein is a combination of glucose plus protein. Phosphoprotein or phosphate with protein. While chromoproteins is a combination of chromophil and proteins. So the answer to this question is option D, all of the above. The next question is, which of the following bases is present in RNA in place of thymine? Option A, uracil. Option B, adenine. Option C, guanine. And option D, water. Water is not a nitrogen base. Guanine is a nitrogen base which is found in DNA as well, not only in RNA. Adenine too is found in DNA, which combines with thymine through double hydrogen bonds. However, uracil is not found in DNA, and thymine in DNA is replaced by uracil in case of RNA. So the correct answer is option A, which is uracil. The next question is, ultraviolet or UV light absorbed by nucleic acid is option A, 26 nanometer, option B, 75 nanometer, option C, 260 nanometer, and option D, 1500 nanometer. So the correct answer to this question is 26 nanometer, and it is important we remember this value.